Hey guys, it's Dawn from Princess Mom's Travel Tips. Finally back with our cooking our way around Epcot. Sorry this one took a little bit longer. So we've gone to Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, and today we are going to Japan for Udon Noodles with steak, chicken, and shrimp. I'm going to start with my family's favorite from Japan, the Yum Yum sauce. What you'll need is water, butter, more margarine, ketchup, paprika, mayo, and garlic powder, and a little bit of sugar. So add the water to your bowl, mayonnaise, ketchup, melted butter, garlic powder, sugar, paprika, and you mix this all up until it's nice and creamy. Guys, you're going to put this into your fridge overnight because it needs to stay in the fridge overnight for all the flavors to go together. Second is our ginger sauce. With the ginger sauce, you're going to need water, onion, lemon, ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and parsley flakes. I did this all in my food processor. It is a small one. You kind of need a bigger one. You'll see why later. So you put the onions into the food processor and chop them all up. And then you'll add the ginger into that as well. Remember, guys, I'll put the recipes in the description below. Chop that all up so it's it's both onions and the ginger are minced. You put in the water, parsley flakes, soy sauce, and the rice wine vinegar. And you'll add juice of half a lemon and then your mince. And look what happens. Spills all over the place. So you do need a little bit of a bigger mixer than mine. You'll pour those into cups or whatever you have and in the fridge again overnight. Now we're going to move on to the marinade for the meat. There's a lot of steps to this recipe, guys, so hang in there. The marinade is pretty simple. What you will need is teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, margarine, which I had to go to a Japanese store to find, sugar, water, of course. You'll turn on to medium heat. And you'll pour the water into the pot, followed by your soy sauce, the margarine, and dissolve the sugar. I believe the teriyaki sauce was in there as well. I don't know why I've missed that. Oh no, here comes the teriyaki sauce. Did this so long ago, guys. Sorry about the wait again. So here's the teriyaki sauce. And you'll bring that to just a boil until everything is dissolved. Then you'll take some cornstarch and put it in a bowl, and you'll add some of the sauce to the cornstarch. This is just to thicken up your sauce, your marinade a little bit, so that it sticks to your meat when you're pouring it on there. So mix that up until the cornstarch is dissolved, and you'll add that back into the pot. And then once it comes to just a boil, you're going to take that off and pour it right on top of your meat. I've never done a hot marinade on top of meat right away. That was an interesting, I did add this to the chicken as well as the steak, but not the shrimp. Okay, we're ready for cooking the sauce for the Udon noodles. Soy sauce, ginger, rice wine vinegar. Fairly simple. Soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and chopped up ginger. Minced, as small as you can possibly get it. Stir that all up and set aside for cooking. So let's cook. Okay, guys, so your meat has been marinating for at least 30 minutes. We didn't marinate the shrimp, that just is left alone. Here's all the vegetables that we have cut up, zucchini and carrots and onions, so we can try the volcano onions, which, I mean, we weren't too great at. Anyway, we have a flat top. Shout out to my Uncle Peter who got this for his 70th birthday. And this is the first time he's using it. So it's 2 experiments in one here. So get all that meat on the grill and then we'll try out our onion volcano. Ooh.
Very exciting.
Was pretty cool, guys. Best we could do for a beginner's look there. So once your meat has been cooking for a little bit, we'll just give it a turn. Make sure we're always moving the vegetables around as well. We're going to add the rest of the vegetables to the grill so that they are cooking first. A little bit of oil first, of course. And put the zucchini, the carrots, and make sure we're still stirring up those onions. We're going to add some more oil to the grill. And here's where we're going to put on the noodles. This takes a really short time, guys. Everything is cooked very, very, very quickly. So you have to keep an eye on it. At this time, the meat is done, so it's in the house being chopped up into bite-sized pieces. And then the vegetables will be taken off as well to be chopped up into bite-sized pieces to be added to the noodles. In just a moment, we added the sauce to the noodles, put the shrimp onto the grill as they don't take very much time at all to cook. And you cook them until they're pink. So we just add all the vegetables that have been cut up into the noodles. And we're done, guys. Here's your Udon noodles with teriyaki steak and chicken and shrimp. Thanks for joining us. Come see us next time when we go back to the USA. Remember, we skipped over that because we required a barbecue. And the weather's looking a little better now in Canada. So I've been given the go-ahead to go ahead and do those turkey legs, guys. I've been given permission from my husband to use his smoker. Yes. All right. Again, thanks for coming and watching our video, guys. Please like and subscribe. And as always, please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Princess Mom's Travel Tips. Thanks, guys. And we'll see you next time. Bye.